cut 2 onions. Cut 1 carrot. Preheat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add the vegetables. Let them cook until they are soft. Add 250 grams of rice, previously washed. Add salt. Add pepper. Season with dry mint leaves. Stir well for the rice to absorb the seasoning. Add 750 milliliters of water. Cook the rice for about 20 minutes. Add 250 grams of spinach. In this recipe it is frozen. Add 100 milliliters of canned tomatoes. You can also use freshly chopped tomatoes. Stir well and cook for another 15 minutes until the rice is fully cooked. Subscribe if you liked the recipe.